What if you could unlock the potential to earn $250,000 a month on YouTube? The secret lies in an untapped niche that combines high engagement and lucrative monetization opportunities. This niche focuses on creating detailed reviews and tutorials for premium products in industries like tech, software, health equipment, and luxury goods. Viewers searching for high-ticket product reviews are ready to buy, leading to better conversion rates. High commissions and evergreen appeal make this niche lucrative. Examples include content like top 5 high-end video editing tools compared, or $10,000 camera review. Is it worth it? To succeed, choose high-value products, create in-depth content, optimize for SEO, and leverage affiliate links. Monetization potential includes YouTube ad revenue, affiliate earnings, and sponsorship deals from brands. Creators like Linus Tech Tips and Think Media thrive in this niche, earning significant revenue by maintaining quality and consistency. To get started, identify your niche, research products, invest in good equipment, and publish consistently to build trust. This hidden YouTube niche is your gateway to six-figure monthly earnings. With the right strategy and commitment, you could be the next big creator.